Hi, Dr. Lindsey here. This is a short video, which is a 10-year update on a guy that's about my age who had 2 hair transplants with me. And this fellow rolled in, and he's in, I think, 1 or 2 other videos. I remember him. He's an interesting guy. And he rolled in, and we did a frontal U. I mean, we worked around his little tuft and filled in through here. He looked like this before. And then a couple years later, he decided he wanted to address the tuft, and we did a little something further back in his head. And so I lost track of him. He travels all around the world, and actually at one point he invited Wendy and me up to his penthouse in overlooking, I think, a Ravens Stadium to have a brunch. And I wasn't able to go, but Wendy went, and he'd gotten himself a nice new girlfriend. And then he moved to Florida, and with the recent hurricanes, I think he lost his prescription for Propecia. And so he had called or emailed me asking whether he could get a prescription, a second one, because his house flooded. And he sent a picture of him at 10 years with his now wife, and he said it was fine to put it up. So here he was before, and then here he is at 10 years out, and that is an unremarkable and natural looking hairline. And that's what our goal is here, not to give you a good looking hair transplant, but to make you just look like you look like a normal person. And here's a close-up of his scar. The last time I saw him, which was 7 or 8 years ago. And so in summary, this guy's a great candidate. He wanted a hairline that would age well. He's got salt and pepper hair. He's got a great attitude, and his results have allowed him to have the confidence to get a new girlfriend and a wife. He lives the happy life down in Tampa, and it's always good to get an update from people like this. If we can help you, give us a call. Thanks.